Hey guys, it's Joe here. I just want to tell you about a new cooking method we've been trying out. It's called Sous Vide, and basically how it works is you put the steak seasoned in a sealed bag, you take out all the air, and it heats and circulates the water, and it takes the steak to the perfect temperature. And then when you take it out of the bag, it's kind of pale, doesn't look great. So what we're going to do is we're going to take a blowtorch and just caramelize that outside. And it looks okay now, but just wait till you cut into it. It cooks the steak absolutely perfectly. We're also going to make some real nice grilled asparagus to go along with it. And once we cut into that steak, you'll see it's pink from edge to edge. Very nice. We're planning on trying to put some more videos out using this cooking method. So keep your eyes out for it. Something new and fun to try. Thanks, everybody, and manja manja.